Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate the Just Eat Courier app so you can start delivering. First, make sure you have everything ready. Your photo ID, proof of right to work, vehicle or bike insurance if required, and any other details they ask for. If you haven't already, go to the Just Eat Driver portal, log in with your account, and check if there's any missing information or documents you still need to upload. Just Eat will run a background check, which can take up to 2 weeks. This is usually the longest step, so be patient while they review your application. Once everything is approved, your account will be activated and you can start using the Just Eat Courier app to accept deliveries. And that's it. That's how to activate the Just Eat Courier app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.